Hey, hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add actually more rows or columns in an existing table in your Microsoft Word. Okay, now let me assume we already have maybe a table. It has maybe, let me say, names and maybe like here details, and you kind of actually want to add more rows or columns. You just want to add more columns, maybe, and maybe also add some more in an existing table. So what you do is you go to your insert, go on table, then instead of actually selecting on this, you can actually click on draw table. So when you click on draw table, there's a pencil which comes, so you can just actually click and drag. So you can create actually more rows. If you want a column, just actually put that pencil on top, then do like that. It's kind of flexible because you can even stop here. You can even divide this. Okay, you can even divide this. So this actually gives you the capability to actually just create more columns and rows however much you want. If you want to put extra rows, you try to go into that cell of the row, enter a bit to create more space. Then you click on insert, click on table, click on draw. Then you can actually draw extra rows that you want. You can even divide multiple times. Okay, so that's how cool actually this thing is. You can even divide this, you can even create this, you can even create. So it's kind of actually cool. Okay, so that is the easiest way you can actually create columns and rows in your Microsoft Word in an existing table. Okay, if you're interested in videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.